Case fly back rope and raising eagle, swing, jump, squeeze, got a gate, moving up. Brother Barak now from the outside. And going along for the first turn is Eagle Swings. Brother Barak, no gas, no glory, is running in third. And down in fourth by some 4 lengths, all in. Moving up now the outside, Kudos, Action Seller next on line. And followed by Money Queen, while Anonymous is running in a tail of the fielder. Passing the half mile, Brother Barak being joined by Eagle Swing, 6 lengths away, no guts, no glory. Kudos moving up to take fourth, down in fifth, all in. Here comes Action Sailor. Inside the last 600, Brother Barak by a length, followed by Eagle Swings. No guts, no glory. Moving up by Ruila. Inside the last 600, Brother Barak. No guts, no glory. Sneaking in to grab the leader. And inside the last 400, no guts, no glory. Now in front by some 2 lengths, Brother Barak drops back to second. And towards the final turn is still no guts, no glory by some 5 lengths over Brother Barak. Moving up is Money Queen, all in. And finally it's no guts, no glory. Followed now by Money Queen. All in, Action Sailor, Kudos, and Brother Barak.
Sino yung panlima?
Lalabas ba si Brother Barak kasi dalawang dos.